a quick video of what it's like using Scout Systems technology on the very first day of installation without any instructions. So you're going to see me flipping back and forth between Compass, what the users see, and HQ, what managers or leads would see. So first, on the Compass screen, what you see here, operators are typing in their badge ID and then they'll log in. At this station, there's no current job sent to them. They have the option of having a job sent to them, or they can load it directly from their station. And so for this example, we're going to load one up that doesn't currently have any instructions. So you press the Add Job button, you can barcode scan or type in the content like work order, unit name, and quantity. The technology will recognize that that does not currently exist in the system and will prompt the operators to make sure it's not a typo, but then they just move forward. Then it will move into the setup screen. This is just stating how much time you spent in the setup. Managers, though, they can now see it in the production queue of live production, set right there, and you can see the work order, the content of everything going on, and it's right now, it's just in the queue. Back at the Compass screen, as the operators finish up the setup, they just hit Start Job, and it moves them forward into the production build timer. If we go back to HQ, the managers can see that it went from queue to now the active state. And this gives you a sense of knowing where everything is moving throughout the production process. Going back to Compass, while they're building, if they have any complications, they need to hit pause, and they do so, they have the ability to prompt what reason caused the production hiccup, or they can put in requests for assistance directly from that screen. Leads and supervisors, if they're paying attention to live production, they can see that it went from active to a pause state. Back to Compass, as they wrap everything up, they can complete the job. And once they complete the job, if there was a partial order, they can adjust the total quantity that they finished and then close it out and returns it back to the original screen. If there was another job already preloaded in the queue, it would immediately load that up, where the operators can simply add that job and go back to where they were. Now, even on the very first day, even though there was no instructions, you can go into the reporting module and load up certain data on that specific work order. So in this example, we're going to pull up our unit example. It knows that it was done in the assembly area because that's what we had it built in. Pick the date range, and here you can see who built it, how many they built, the average build time, the productivity rate, and the setup time. So on the very first day, you can compare that to your ERP to make sure your production data is accurate.